Most teams want everyone to stay on top of the latest news. The problem is, websites only work if people remember to visit them. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn Google News into a live widget you can embed on a website, intranet, or SharePoint dashboard, so the headlines come to you automatically instead. Let's get started. Go to Google News and search for the topic you want to track: a keyword, a company name, an industry, a regulation. Anything with a Google News results page works. Copy that URL from your browser. Now head to rss.app and open the RSS generator. Paste the URL in and hit generate. Within seconds, RSS app creates a structured RSS feed from that search. Click Save to My Feeds. That feed will refresh automatically as new stories come in. You don't have to touch it again. Then navigate to the Widgets tab. This is where you choose how the news looks wherever you're embedding it. RSS app gives you 7 display formats. A ticker works well for a dashboard header. A list or news wall fits better on a page with more space. Hit Customize to adjust the number of posts, background color, or add custom CSS. If it's going into an internal tool, you can strip it back to something minimal. If it's client-facing, match it to the brand. When it looks right, click Add to Website. For internal tools, copy and paste the direct URL into a SharePoint web part, a Notion embed, or any intranet platform. For website builders like WordPress, copy either the JavaScript or iframe snippet and paste it into a custom HTML block. Once it's live, the widget pulls from your Google News feed and updates on its own. You set it once and it runs. That's a live, automatically updating Google News widget on whatever platform matters to your team or your audience. If you want to go further, you can bundle multiple feeds to cover several topics in one widget, or layer in RSS app's AI brief to show only the most relevant headlines. Try it today with RSS app.